What is going on, guys? Welcome to another video. Today I'm going to show you how I'm doing YouTube affiliate marketing on YouTube. So first, let me show you quickly my results. So I'm going to refresh this page so you can see that these are my actual results. So this is my affiliate dashboard for this product. This is a high ticket product that I promote in the Make Money Online niche, specifically for affiliate marketing in the micro niche of high ticket affiliate marketing. And as you can see, I'm making commissions every single month by promoting this product. $454, $128, $135, and so on and so forth. I'm making these commissions. And let me show you some examples of digital products that I promote. So the first is Secrets of Success. This is a training of Russell Brunson. Check this out. I can go to library and I can access all of these audiobooks from these people. For example, Napoleon Hill, Charles Haanel, Horizon Sweet Marden, Jim Rohn. So let's say that I want to access Jim Rohn audiobooks. So I just need to click here and then I can choose. For example, they have two audiobooks right now: How to Have Your Best Year Ever and The Day That Turns Your Life Around. So what I can do here is that I can click on any of these images and I can use the credits that I have to unlock these trainings. And I can do that for all of these people. For example, let's say that I want to access Dale Carnegie audiobooks. So I just need to click on the picture and then I need to click on the audiobook. For example, the Ultimate Dale Carnegie Library. So I'm going to click on this one because this one is one of the audiobooks that I'm learning from. And as you can see, now I'm going to scroll down so I can listen, hear the audiobook, and also I can choose this option, stream to your favorite app. So let me scroll down. So I'm going to click on listen here, and these are all the lessons that I can hear. So another thing that this training has is that it has the this study hall. For example, on March 2024 and April 2024. So we're going to learn from this book, The Strangest Secret, and I can click here. And what I can do is that I can get the book in the library, join the discussion, and many other things. Now let me show you. I'm going to go back and click on Secrets of the Ages. So you can see that once they have like record the content, so I can watch and I can see these video lessons, the Secret of the Ages masterclass. So I can click here and watch all these replays. So which is really awesome for all the people who wants to have a success mindset. I can go as well to training schedule. Here I have this training schedule that so I can know in which date they are going to have the newest books or lessons. I can go to paid courses, newsletters, and also as an affiliate marketer, I can promote this product because they have a referral program. Now, this is one of the supporting offers that I promote, and I'm promoting this product through YouTube that I'm going to show you later. Another product that I'm promoting is this one, Freedom Accelerator. This is a high ticket product, and as you can see, I have here all the training. So this is from Jonathan Montoya, and basically he teaches how we can build an entire ecosystem of products with a main core offer and then supporting offers, then how we can build this automated sales system which is an entire ecosystem of products. And then once we have built that system, how we can drive traffic to that system to make commissions by promoting all of those products. And as you can see in the screen, these are all the lessons of this training. So let me show you my entire ecosystem of products, my automated sales system, and I have that system inside of funnelfreedom.io. So this is a software. This is Jonathan Montoya's software as well. And I'm going to show you how I am promoting these products that I will show it to you: Secret of Success and Freedom Accelerator, because I'm going to click right now on Funnel Freedom on this page, and then I'm going to click on affiliate link settings. So check this out, because this is really important. So I'm promoting those products with funnelfreedom.io inside of this software. So this software has a 7 figures done for you system, and one of those products so these two products, Secret of Success and Freedom Accelerator sorry, so Secret of Success and Freedom Accelerator, I'm promoting those products inside of this software because here it has this page. So check this out. I have here my affiliate links for all of these products: the 72-hour challenge, Freedom Accelerator, Funnel Freedom. So here, so this link, this is my affiliate link for Secret of Success, and this one and this one, those are my affiliate links for Freedom Accelerator. And if I scroll down, I'm promoting many products like GetResponse, Udemy, InVideo, TubeBuddy, Bizlab, vidIQ, and I have here all my affiliate links for all of those products. And what I'm doing is that I have a funnel, a sales funnel that I'm going to show you right now, which is this one: Freedom Ascension, mapping your 9-to-5 exit strategy. And what I'm doing is that I'm driving traffic to a simple page. So instead of driving traffic to my affiliate links, what I'm doing is that I'm driving traffic to this opt-in page, because I want to collect the email of the prospect. So I'm driving traffic to this page, so when people see this page, they will read the title, they will read this information, they will read here free course. I have as well my own picture because I'm growing my own personal brand in the affiliate marketing space. And when people click this button, check this out, I can collect the name, the email, and if they want, they can write their phone number. So, and once I have collected that information, Funnel Freedom is going to give access to all those people the bridge page. And here, let me show you. I'm going to open the bridge page. So here I'm using Jonathan Montoya's videos, and it's working really well for me. So people will watch this video, and check this out. When they click on this button, get started today, people will be clicking my affiliate link for the 72-hour challenge. Funnel Freedom is going to send the free course through email. So for this funnel, I'm giving away a free course. The free course is the lead magnet. The lead magnet is something that we need to give. So we need to give something in exchange for the email. And for this funnel, I'm giving away this free course that Jonathan Montoya created for his affiliates. Now, but more importantly, Funnel Freedom is going to start sending emails, because this system has his own nurturing sequence or email sequence. And these are email sequences that I didn't write. So these are ready to be sent. So I have right now 63 people enrolled on my my nurturing sequence, and these are emails that Funnel Freedom is going to start sending automatically. And inside of the emails, and in some of the emails, people are going to find an email about this product, Secret of Success. In another email, people are going to find an email about Freedom Accelerator. So they will start receiving emails, for example, a Freedom Accelerator review, a Secrets of Success review. And when they receive those emails, and when they click the links, they will open a landing page in which they are going to have a video, which is going to be a Jonathan Montoya's videos about Freedom Accelerator or about Secret of Success. And below the video, people will see a button where it says get instant access. And that button will go exactly to my affiliate link for Secret of Success or Freedom Accelerator or Get the Response. And this is the system that I'm using to make commissions with affiliate marketing by promoting all of those products. Now, it's important for you to know that it takes time, guys, to start making commissions, because first you need to build your own audience. So you need to start creating content. And that is when that is why I'm using YouTube. So the way that I'm using YouTube for affiliate marketing is that, check this out. I'm going to write Secret of Success review. And I have created a video about Secrets of Success. So when people go here to my video, they will find in the description of my videos my links for my funnels. So check this out, Secret of Success review. This one has 17 views. I have another video, Russell Brunson Secrets of Success complete review. This video only has 22 views. I have another one, how to promote Secret of Success and legendary marketer with Funnel Freedom. This one, 29 views. So let me show you another example. I'm going to write Freedom Accelerator review. And I have recorded many videos about this topic, Jonathan Montoya Freedom Accelerator review by a real user. This video has 318 views. The next one has 58 views. And as you can see, what I'm doing basically is that I bought these products, Freedom Accelerator and Secret of Success. Then the next step that I did is that I created a video review about those products, and then I put my links of my funnel in the description of those videos. And so when people click the links of my funnel, they will be clicking that opt-in page that I will show it to you. So freedom session, mapping your 9-to-5 exit strategy. And so people, when they click the links in the description, they will open this page. And if they want to access this free course, people will need to write their name and their email address. And once I have that information, Funnel Freedom is going to start promoting all of those products. And one of those products are Secrets of Success, and the other is Freedom Accelerator. But I'm promoting another, like legendary marketer. That is a well-known high-ticket product in the make money online niche. So basically, that is the strategy that I'm using, guys. Basically, I'm sharing the information that I have about those products. I'm creating content on my YouTube channel, and slowly but surely YouTube is sharing my video with more people. I'm reaching more audience, and some of the people resonate with my own story. They click the links in the description and they access so they enter my sales funnel, and they start receiving all of those emails. And inside of the emails, I'm promoting those products. And basically that is how I'm doing YouTube affiliate marketing. So, and it takes time, guys. So as you can see, I have recorded around 1,200 videos on this YouTube channel. This is my English YouTube channel, but I have another channels as well. I have an Spanish YouTube channel for affiliate marketing, and I'm growing that channel much faster than this one. But I have another channels to promote other products, because YouTube is one of the most powerful social media channels that you can use for affiliate marketing to promote products. And it takes time. So it takes time to start it takes time to get the ball running with affiliate marketing and with YouTube, guys. Now, one of the things that helped me to grow faster my YouTube channel was the phase number 2 of Freedom Accelerator, because Jonathan Montoya teaches in a really cool way how we can utilize YouTube. So how we need to do the keyword research, how we need to create the thumbnails. So because all of that stuff needs a strategy. For example, understanding the YouTube traffic ecosystem, how to set up well the YouTube channel, how to do this YouTube content hacking exercise, the perfect YouTube script. So all that stuff, it's super powerful to know it, because when I started to create videos on my YouTube channel, basically I wasted 1 year trying to grow it, because I didn't know all these tactics and strategies. So, and he has as well, so these YouTube hacks, for example, how to get monetized in 2 weeks and rank your videos fast. So, and this is super important, because the more tactic and strategy you have to grow your YouTube channel, you are going to grow it faster. So, and I struggled like a lot of time. I struggled like 1 year, guys, trying to grow this YouTube channel. And I struggled because I didn't have the strategy. So I have the persistence and the discipline, because I was creating YouTube videos like every single day, but I didn't grow. I didn't grow because I didn't know how to do the keyword research. I didn't know how to optimize my YouTube videos. I didn't know how to create good thumbnails. And right now I'm learning how to improve all of those metrics, because when we know what to improve, we can grow faster. And so basically this is one of the most powerful lessons that for me, this helped me to grow my YouTube channel. So this helped me to grow my YouTube channel and to get to 1,000 subscribers and more, because I'm doing all of this stuff, all this stuff every single time when I do a live call, or if I'm going to record a video for my YouTube channel. I do the keyword research, and basically here this training has all the information that you need if you want to grow your YouTube channel faster. So that's it for this video, guys. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Also subscribe to my channel, click the notification bell